Hi everyone, my name is Agnes, I'm from Germany and I have very successfully completed my CAD certificate here at Explore Education. CAD was a beautiful program consisting of Photoshop, Illustrator, and very interesting for me was CAFD 3D design classes that I had the pleasure to take with Miss Ben, who was a fantastic tutor throughout. The experience was very good. The classes were very flexible. I could attend at the weekends as I'm working full-time as a fashion designer myself. Computer-aided design is a fantastic program that will enable you to work faster, smarter and more creative. At Explore Education, the faculty is filled with very knowledgeable staff and beautiful tutors who would help you throughout your journey. I can highly recommend this institute for anyone who is looking also into studying fashion design, interior design, graphic design, as it's a fantastic opportunity for you to get the skills from experts.